Okay, this is kind of cool and interesting. This whole length is 13, but if we're trying to just describe this rectangle, this gray rectangle, we're really doing this whole 13, but then back off 4, because we didn't go that last 4 feet. We were going to go all the way to all 13 feet, but then we have to go backwards by another 4 in order to line ourselves up with that distance, right? This is all 13, backwards by 4. So you've got this piece that is 13 minus 4, okay? And that's this direction. That's that direction. The whole distance of 13, and then back off by that distance of 4. Okay? So that's the width. So 13 minus 4. We do length times width, so we're going to do that times what? Let's do this in the other direction now. We say this whole length is 12, but we need to back off. We didn't actually go the whole 12. We got to back up by 6. So we're going to get 12 and then take 6 back off of it because we didn't go those last 6 feet right there. And then it doesn't look like it's halfway, but that's what they tell us, so we count it as that. So we're going to get then the area is going to be equal to that whole 13 feet, back off by 4, 13 take away 4, times this whole length of 12, back off by 6, 12 minus 6. 13 minus 4 in parentheses, times 12 minus 6 in parentheses. And as you can see, that's B.